Please tell me the 3 most important goals when it comes to your job or business. Can you answer that question straight away? Maybe you are thinking of not only 3 but 17 goals. Maybe it's difficult for you to name one goal at all. Maybe your main goal is just to survive the day. Well, you are not alone. Most people, whether they are administrators, freelancers or executives, can rarely name their goals. And even in private life, many people don't have motivating goals. Everyday life comes and goes, and therefore, even if we might have defined a goal, we lose sight of it. Months and years go by without any real progress, which is frustrating. And due to this frustration, most of us simply stop defining goals. But there is another way. If we look at highly dynamic, successful, fast-growing companies, they all have one thing in common. They have a small number of goals, and these are crystal clear. Everyone in the company knows these goals. Everyone is guided by them, so everyone can set appropriate goals for his own role. And if we look at highly successful individuals and their personal lives, they also have clear written goals and a method how to achieve them. The most successful goal-setting method is called OKRs, Objectives and Key Results. OKRs are the fundamental goal-setting method used by Google since 1999, and they still use it today. After completing this course, you'll know exactly what OKRs are, how they work, and how you will benefit from them. You'll define your professional and private goals based on the OKR principle. You'll implement the simple but highly effective steps to take action to realize your goals. And if you're a leader, you'll know exactly how to use OKRs as a leadership tool. The earlier you define your OKRs, the sooner you will achieve your goals. The highly focused videos, checklists, and exercises of this course will help you. Oh, and if your company uses any other goal-setting method, which might not be as effective as you would like them to be, I'll show you exactly how to use OKRs even in such an environment. In case you came here because you want to set goals for yourself, not for a team or a company, you found the right training. OKRs are the right tool for personal and business goals, for a freelancer or the CEO of a multi-billion-dollar company. I'll provide you examples for both very personal and very big business goals. My name is Axel Rittershaus. In the 1990s, I founded my first company, which I sold in 2002, and for 15 years I worked as an entrepreneur and leader in the IT industry. I grew up in Germany and lived there for 40 years until my wife and I moved to Cape Town, South Africa. Since 2008, I'm consulting, coaching and advising people like you, employees, managers and entrepreneurs from over 30 countries. I help them become more effective, successful and motivated. OKRs are one of the pillars the most successful of them use. Now, let's get started. Book the course today, join the community of highly successful OKR users and start achieving your goals. I'm ready when you are.